Biggs right on the outside of Lucy heading into the grill, so we're stopping for some jerk chicken now. Biggs look like him on some proper jerk.
Onion coming on the inside out.
So Biggs right here, so outside of Green Island. On the left hand side, right before you hit a bridge, you'll see Big. He's been here for 30 years. And he does some of the best pan chicken that I've tasted throughout the island.
You like spicy? Yes. Okay, this is the spice.
Yes, sir.
Come on, I want you to taste it.
Yeah, Biggs.
Oh, okay.
Taste it and tell them.
I think you got some competition over here. Yeah, man. The man I bring the onion. The man chicken have onion coming out of it. Onion. That means that the spice is in there. You know what I flavorful with that. All of that spices and pepper as well. Rotted.
Oh, it's so good.
Okay, Mali, this is your plate. Are you gonna share that plate? This is yours.
I'll eat that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not sharing.
You're not sharing?
No.
Okay, okay.
No.
No, you're not sharing yours, right?
Yeah, no.
You can sit around here, you know, no problem if you want to sit around.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
No problem, you can sit around here, man. Come around. Yeah, what's up?
So, as you can see, Biggs just step on the side of the road and him having jerk chicken and in jerk chicken style. You have people that just pulling up right outside on the way down. This is Green Island, on the way into the Green Island town. Biggs is here. And here, man, this is the second best jerk chicken in Jamaica right now. Fremont at number one. I mean, Biggs gone international.
Every time,
I want to send the competition to a fire, you know?
Saying. Alright.
Jerk chicken.
Every time, man.
What's the secret to jerk chicken?
The secret? Looking about jerk chicken like you're looking about a little baby, you know? So you gotta have love for your heart to do jerk chicken, otherwise it's gonna spoil. This is the sauce that I make.
This is your pepper sauce.
If you love it, you can take it home, no fridge. You just put it down as long as you want to stay there. Yeah. I want you guys to taste it now and then you tell me what's going on otherwise. You ever have jerk chicken in really before?
Not like this.
Well, then taste it and tell me.
How many years have you been cooking jerk chicken?
Well, actually 30 years now.
30?
Yeah.
I'm 30.
You 30? Oh, from when you was a baby.
Oh, you changed the name. Yes. You got the roots. One on the own and another this is another. Sauce is nice.
That sauce was really good.
You like spicy?
Yeah, I like spicy.
Alright, taste that sauce.
Is your chicken?
It's stuffed. Yeah, man. Look like inside. I used to get nothing pizza like as a teenager.
No, man. This is
Quite
a different
stuffed
level.
right there.
Yeah, this is a different level.
See that? Look at that. That is that onion.
Right here.
Right on it. Yeah, man. See there. Biggs are showing exactly what is in there.
Alright.
Stuffed and seasoned for friction.
You use a finger.
You're the boss, so you don't use what? You don't use fork. You don't use a fork
Oh, you're
to
not
eat
gonna
the
lick a
chicken.
fork, you're gonna lick a finger.
But if you look, thank you. Biggs have the onion in the chicken, so it hot and ras.
We can come straight out of the fire.
Yeah, man, the fire in there. But the onion, no, sir. Hot and rotted, but that's how fresh it is. And then the sauce that he has on it is jerk sauce. It's simply full of flavor and wicked. Yeah, man, yo. The sauce has the spice, pimento, everything. Jerk sauce, wicked as well.
So do you feel like in a man in those right all the while, you know?
Yeah.
don't know bread. Just put them on the sauce. Don't put it on the chicken.
30-year jerk chicken.
Yeah.
So you said that you worked at a hotel until the pandemic?
No man, I left the pandemic out a long time, man. I went to work one Friday morning and this is my service no more required.
When was that?
But you,
A long time, I remember, you know.
Okay.
But-
How long have you had this stuff?
Near 30 years now.
but you can't bring them flavor here to hotel, you know. Hotel don't want them
They're not
flavor,
paying
you
you
know.
for that.
They don't want these
No.
flavors. You have to be outside of the hotel
Yeah.
Right.
to get this.
They're not gonna pay you for it if you work there.
Why do you think the food in Jamaica is significantly better than elsewhere? What's the reason why?
Because Jamaican people eat good food. If you're running a restaurant and the food is that good, nobody gonna show up. And the secret is behind it. You will travel from in the state, right? If you're a woman living in Jamaica and is a good woman, you're gonna fly from state to right here. Local cooking is better than the pretty cooking. The plate is pretty, but the food is not nice.
Yeah.
That's it. That's in the hotel. They don't want to cook the real Jamaican food. You come on vacation and give you the European food. You're supposed to get Jamaican food.
Brett, how's jerk chicken?
Bruh,
Pepper.
I got it in my throat.
Yeah, man, that's good. That means that the pepper soak.
This shit's fire though.
Straight fire, you hear? Oh God.
Oh man.
Oh God.
Can I get one too?
How much of them you buy, Thomas?
10.
That's how good Big's chicken is.
Respect for the recommendation, bro.
Yeah, man, it's bad done.
Bad. Best. Pick up. That's up.
Bad, come soup.
Thank you so much.
One day worship will be.
He does some of the best pan chicken that I've tasted throughout the island. The man has been doing it, as I said, for over 30 years. The seasoning, the time he put to prepare it, the sauces that he has, everything is really good, really good pan chicken. And I encourage anybody passing, stop and try Big's out. Look on that, man.
Hello?
No.
When I say pork in a pan, you can see the onion and the pepper there on it. Original pork in a pan is easy. Yeah, man. Pork in the pan. Yes, nah, man. Come here, Joe. I have to show you something right now. This is a lost art that's hard to find in Jamaica. Look at it. You see how him serve it? It is actually pork in a pan. It's not jerk pork, but it's cooked down. It's pot roast, and they serve it out of that pan right there. That's in it with a lot of scotch bonnet and skeleton on it. So good. Another finger food.
Smiling over there. No, it's for you, man.
Please go in. Careful.
Yeah, man.
And grab a piece of the pork, man. Bad. No long me not see pork in a pan. Yeah, man, since I will come here and find pork in a pan. Cooked perfectly. The pepper on it. Oh, the pepper. That's so good. So good.